This Jaqua Realtors property video is presented by Fraze. Seller to review all offers Thursday the 25th at 1 p.m. This move-in ready, immaculate 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath home is in a great location on the west side of Kalamazoo. You'll appreciate the open floor plan that allows for easy entertaining. With separate living areas on each floor, this home feels very spacious. On the upper level you will find the master bedroom with ensuite and large walk-in closet. The open kitchen is a great size and has updated granite countertops, tile backsplash and eat-up breakfast bar. The guest bath and home office complete the upper level. The lower level has 2 bedrooms, a full bath, and a large family room. The bathrooms have been upgraded with tile and granite as well. Enjoy the tree-lined backyard featuring a 2-tiered deck, veggie